What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Doc My Car channel. Today I've got a special package here from Turtlewax. Now they had sent me out this package as a part of the 75th birthday. Now there's a lot of exciting stuff inside this package, so I'm going to do the unboxing, and then I believe that there's a really good car care product inside which I'm going to use on this newly purchased BMW E90 330i. Make sure to check out the video also when I purchase the car. I'll include that one in the description below. I'll add a link to that one. Alright, so without further ado, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I've got a lot of awesome car videos, so consider subscribing, liking, commenting as well if you like what you see. And it says do not open till March the 4th, which is fair enough, because this package was only sent out to a few top detailers and they sent it out to me. So let me get cracking and do the unboxing. Alright, so there you go. So the first thing I can see is the Turtlewax cap, which is the 75th anniversary cap. Looks quite good quality. Thank you, Turtlewax. Second thing is the t-shirt. So I'm gonna just bring this up right now, and as you can see, it says wax before you ride. It's quite a good quality soft cotton shirt. Thank you, Turtlewax. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at the second t-shirt that they sent me, and that's the Turtlewax 75th anniversary. Alright, so they have also given me some stickers. That's probably going to go on the car soon, as well as another sticker here. Now they have also given me 2 microfiber towels, which is quite good. An applicator pad. That's not too interesting. What's more interesting is the product which I'm going to review today. This is the Ceramic Graphene Paste Wax by Turtlewax. Is a part of the hybrid solutions technology. Now this is the new revolutionary product. Is a part of the 75th anniversary. Now this one has got 10 different waxes inside it, silicon dioxide, SiO2, as well as the graphene inside it. So it's graphene infused, and it is supposed to produce a tighter web of protection. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing, and I'm going to actually test this product on the vehicle, and let's see if they have come a long way from what Turtlewax used to be back in the day. Now Turtlewax has been really good from about 2016 onwards. I did notice a significant improvement, and we are going to take a look and see how their new 2021 product is. Now what I've done is I've scooped some of the wax and put this one on the cover, so that when I do the polishing I don't contaminate that wax which is inside that bottle. Now I have prepped the paintwork, I've given it a good compounding, polishing. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wax the vehicle now. So you just need a little bit of a dab of that. And then what you need to do is you just apply it, just like you apply traditional waxes. Now this one is just a thin coat which is needed. You don't need too much. And I know it's quite hard to see, especially with a light colored vehicle, but there's a thin glazing coat right there now. And what we're going to do is we're going to wait for it to haze before we buff it out. Alright guys, and this is why I say that it is best to actually put this wax into this container first, so that you don't actually contaminate the other wax, so you can do all your other vehicles. I've got another 3 vehicles to do of mine. So as you can see, this product does smell pretty good. It's got a bit of that chemical smell to it, but it's also got a bit of a sweet smell to it. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it for about 3 minutes or so. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just give it a buff down. Now a way to tell that wax is ready to be buffed out is you should be able to draw a straight line. So that's still a bit waxy, but I'll do it on the first go just to see how it goes, and let's see how smooth and slick it is. Not bad, not bad. Alright, the color does pop quite a bit, which is good. The one thing I did notice, guys, is that the wax was a little bit dry when it came out of the container. Now this could be because when it came all the way to where I am in New Zealand, there was a bit of weather changes, because where it came from it was winter, and where I am now it's just coming into autumn. When it arrived it was still summer, so that's probably why it's a bit dry. But so far so good. I'm quite impressed so far. It's got a relatively smooth, slick finish to it. I'm going to do the rest of the bonnet. Alright guys, now that I let the product dry to a haze, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to buff it down, and you're going to see what the results are like. Alright guys, there you go. That's the final result of the Turtlewax graphene coating. As you can see, it did come out quite well. As you can see, the boot is also quite nice now, and so is the rear bumper as well. Would I recommend this product? Definitely I would recommend this product. It is pretty good, and if you use it as directed and do not use too thick a coating, you want to use a thin coating, then the product is definitely a product for you. Now this is not a polish, this is more of a wax or protectant, so you must prepare your paintwork, prep it, compound, polish, light polish, and then use this product, and you should be able to get great results. Thanks guys, have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.